Yowdy. We are currently en route to Waco, Texas. I have a quick portrait shoot I need to take care of. I'm gonna be downtown in the little old historic downtown kind of area. So the plan is I'm getting there a bit early, so about an hour early. I'm gonna scope out that area because I haven't been there in ages. I don't normally shoot in Waco. I got my Bronica ETRSI. I loaded up, I think it's called Siberia, Silbera. Don't quote me in that. Color film 160. The plan is to do a quick photo walk in that area, but while I'm doing that, kind of scope out places where I want to do portraits for folks. And for the client that I have right now, they recommended the downtown area by the, there's an old theater, like Hippo something. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I have it on my phone. But yeah, they recommended that area. I took a look around, nice old historic area looking. So I'm gonna park there very early, walk around, check it out, have some fun, shoot some film, and then take care of said portrait shoot, which should be about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, somewhere in there. I don't want to keep them out there that long because I woke up to about 3 different heat warnings on the Weather Channel app here, and it's already 93, and it's still relatively early. So I don't want to cook them, and I don't want to cook myself. So the goal is to stay in the shade, try not to overheat the client, but before that, get some film shots taken care of because I love me a small downtown, even though Waco isn't tiny. The downtown is still a vibe. Come on, man. I'm gonna have to stop in just a few minutes here because it doesn't matter what trip I'm going on. If I'm going like down the road, or if I'm going to Waco, or if I'm going to Oklahoma, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna have to stop like 3 or 4 times. I stop there pretty much every time I go south on 35. The same exact spot. I don't know why my brain goes, hey, we gotta stop here. We gotta stop here now. But we do. So, stop 1. Nice. Thanks. I gotta get back on the road. I'm still on track, so I hopefully won't have to stop another time. Okay. What the heck? It's raining. Like, I ran into some rain. I can see, look here, look. There's a big, not a big, but you know, a good sized little storm brewing, or that has brewed, just about on top of Waco. And that's where I'm gonna be right now. What the freaking heck, man? Hopefully it'll move past by the time my shoot happens. If not, I did bring some backup light just in case something like this happened, because it's a long way to drive to not have a backup. But that'd be really, that'd be a big bummer, because I kind of came out here just to shoot film. I took the shoot so I can come out here and shoot some film. So, and then traffic going north looks horrible. What the flippin' heck, man? Isn't that the vibe I wanted? We're about 10 minutes out, so I think we'll be good, but we'll see how it goes. I'm just like really paranoid that I'm gonna get rained on for my film walk, but the shoot's gonna happen either way, so not a big deal. I still get paid and all that fun stuff, and I still get to go to Waco, which is still fun. Don't get me wrong, but that is kind of comical. All right, I have to find a place to stop before I park, because that's just how things work apparently. So let's do that. I hope it's not raining downtown. I'd be really bummed, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine, right? It'll be fine. Tell me to be fine. It's a little damp over here. Not a big deal. It doesn't look like it's as rainy as I was thinking it was gonna be. I'm about 10 minutes out from where I wanna park. So we're gonna get over there, take a look. If it's wet, that's fine. It's fine. That's fine for work, and it's fine for the film walk I want to do. If it's raining, that's not fine, and we'll have to adjust and figure out where we can shoot with the light, all that good stuff. But I think we'll be fine. I think we'll be fine. I have to get back into traffic right now, which is kind of a bummer. But yeah, let's get over there. Okay, we made it. We found parking. Really good parking. There's no one here. It's public parking. I didn't see any pay signs or anything like that. I think it's just for this little park area, but we kind of gotta hurry. So it's a really good spot. Let's we're gonna switch into we're gonna lock in. We're gonna lock in, get the photos done, and then go to our shoot. Here we go.
3 a.m. in the morning, and I'm sitting all alone. Nighttime and a shiver.
All right, we're kind of halfway through my shoot. It's going pretty well because I mean it's really pretty right now, and it's not. I mean it's hot. Don't get me wrong. Really hot, but it's not the worst. It could be much worse. It could be 20 degrees warmer, which would suck. We're heading to the silos now, and I've been wanting to do that for the past like 5 years since they've been open, really. But I'm gonna find there's a coffee shop over there. I'm gonna park up there. They're gonna change outfits, and then I'm going to continue said shoot. I parked so heckin' far, like unreasonably far. I think it's taking me longer to walk to the car than it is to go to where I need to go.
It's a fun little place. I love that everything is free.
Is it really?
Yes. Like, I mean, food, blah, 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 if you want to buy something.
Yeah.
But
And I'm sitting all alone. Nighttime and a shiver. I can feel it in my bones. So won't you come back, baby? Should've never walked away.
We are wrapped. Holy cow. It is so stinking hot. But again, it's not 100 degrees, so I don't want to complain, but I'm gonna complain because it's so heckin' hot. I'm all sweaty and gross, and look at me. Ugh. All right, now I got a longish drive home. But first, I think we're gonna pick up some health food. Yeah, we're gonna pick up something real healthy, and then we're gonna head back on the road. Sounds fun, doesn't it? Look at this. Look at this. This a damn mess. It's a damn mess. All right, I gotta go. You know, it's always funny coming back from longer shoots like this. I don't stop anywhere near as much. Really, the main reason is going to said shoot and just going to like said thing, even if it's like a fun thing or something you know we sign up to do. I have a lot of anxiety. It makes me have to stop at every single gas station to kind of memorize where everything is on the roads and stuff. But coming back, everything's just kind of relaxed and chill, which I'm trying to work on. It's so frustrating because I got nothing to be anxious about. I got nothing to worry about. It's stuff I've been doing this for ages. I've been going out for ages. Like, I just don't understand what the heck's wrong with my brain, you know? Do you do the same thing? I just get super anxious about being out and away from home. I can do like walks around the block and stuff like that and not get super anxious, but like once I leave and am like more than 10 minutes away from home, I just get anxious. Don't know why. It's annoying. Anyway, I hope you are having a much less anxious day than I did earlier. Granted, I had so much fun. Like, there's no complaints. I just wish that overall anxiety would just chill out for just like a little bit. But either way, shoots wrapped, film shoots wrapped. I'm so stoked for those. I don't think I'm gonna try to. I don't know if I'm gonna try to develop them tonight. I'm a little bit on the tired side, but I think I'll have a good shot to do it tomorrow. So I'll develop them tomorrow. Hopefully get them scanned in. Okay. Maybe I'll develop them tonight so they can dry overnight. That won't take me too long. I'm rambling. I'm gonna go. I'm not too far from home. Pretty excited. But up next, we have to take care of these, and then I have a double booked for a couple days from now that we have to prep for. We're gonna do a lot of photo video stuff all over Dallas, 2 different spots, but they're nowhere near each other. So that should be fun. pretty much this whole upcoming week, and I guess really next week, is just stacked. Then we have a busy September as well. We have a lot booked already. It's just busy, and I'm glad, because being busy is fun, and I'm getting more acclimated to being out and about. Even though again, we have a lot of anxiety issues I'm trying to work through and I'm trying to manage. Doing stuff like this helps immensely. So we're gonna keep on keeping on. I do have next week. What do I have next week? Oh, that's not next week. Darn, I have like a week off from going to small tiny towns. The week after, I'm going to Weatherford, Texas, to do a couple big shoots. But then I'm gonna wrap around mid-afternoon, so I'm gonna zip over to a little historic downtown area and shoot some film. But that's not till 2 more weeks, so we gotta find something to go shoot this coming week. Okay, that's the plan. We got lots of work. We're gonna squeeze in film shooting at some point next week. I hope you stay tuned. I have to go. I gotta get back on the road, or I gotta get back to driving. But I'll see you soon. Like, share, subscribe if you want. If you don't, man, I don't care. You do you. You have fun. I gotta go. Okay, bye.